Hello friends, and welcome to What to Sell. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable businesses these days. Although it does not need a lot of money to start, and you just need to create an account on an econ site and start selling. But you do need a lot of hard work in hunting winning products that can make you maximum profits. To make it easier for you, we have brought a list of 5 highly popular Shopify dropshipping products you can start selling now. They all have a lot of promise, so don't pass them up. But before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our content and subscribe to our channel for more informational videos. So, let's get started. Kids Wooden Toolbox. Kids Wooden Toolbox is an educational learning toy, great for kids' color and shape recognition, fine motor skills, and intellectual ability. Is recommended for kids age 3 and up. Is made of smooth wooden. This toy is the perfect gift for boys but for girls also. The selling price of this product is $50, while the product cost is $31. Shipping is free, so you can easily make a profit of $19. The saturation inspector tells us that only 11 stores are selling this toy, which means the product is non-saturated. Facebook ads has more than 200 likes and on AliExpress are more than 500 orders. Kids Wooden Toolbox has 109 votes and a rating of 4.6 stars. Winter Snow Toy Kit. This snow toy set is comprised of a robust high-impact substance that is more durable and solid than other snowball-making toys. In the winter, children may play in the snow, while in the other seasons, they can play in the sand. Best Christmas gift for kids, birthday present, and so on. To produce snowballs of varying sizes, you may boost the enjoyment of playing in the snow. This snow toys kit is a kid winter sports favorite. The selling price of this product is $29.95, while the product costs $16.04. Shipping cost is 32 cents, so you can make a profit of $13.91. The saturation inspector tells us that only 16 stores are selling this toy, which means the product is non-saturated. On Facebook ads, this product is viral with 29K and 9.2K reactions. On AliExpress, Winter Snow Toys Kit has 133 orders and a rating of 4.8 stars. Vacuum Wine Bottle Capstopper. They are made to fit regular wine, beer, champagne, and soda bottles, as well as certain larger ones. The tight silicone-sealed champagne stopper keeps your champagne fresh for days while preserving the original flavor. There's no more fumbling with corks since it turns effortlessly. The selling price of this product is $23.95, while the product costs $7.27. This product has free shipping, so you can easily make a profit of $16. The saturation inspector tells us that only 12 stores are selling this product, which means that is non-saturated. On Facebook ads, this product is viral with 19K and 1.3K reactions. On AliExpress, Vacuum Wine Bottle Capstopper has 293 orders and a rating of 4.8 stars. Magnetic Socks. By generating far infrared radiation, relief magnetic socks generate heat throughout the body, improves blood circulation, and reduces leg edema. You might be able to reclaim your perfect leg shape overnight. Magnetic waves are released from the nerve terminals of the foot to the rest of the body, assisting in the treatment of foot pain and tension. All odor-causing substances that emit a disagreeable odor are absorbed. The selling price of this product is $12.50, while the product costs only $1.50. Shipping cost is $1, so you can make a profit of $10. Saturation inspector tells us that only 10 stores are selling this product, which means that is non-saturated. On Facebook ads, this product is viral with 2.3K likes and 10,000 shares. On AliExpress, Relief Magnetic Socks has 240 orders and a rating of 4.8 stars. Princess Style Hairpin. This hairpin can keep children's hair out of their eyes, while also offering a new look in seconds. A quick and easy braiding cute plate. It's flexible, won't damage their hair, and is simple to put on and take off. Each snap hair clip has comb teeth and can securely hold baby hair or bangs. It is made of ABS plastic, which is flexible and will not harm your hair. Hairstyles such as long, medium, and short hair, as well as wavy and straight hair, are all appropriate. The selling price of this product is $12.95, while the product costs only $2.39. This product has free shipping, so you can easily make a profit of $10. The saturation inspector tells us that only 3 stores are selling this product, which means that you should not skip it. On Facebook ads, this product is viral with 1.8k likes. On AliExpress, Princess Style Hairpin has 928 orders and a rating of 4.7 stars.